the impact of groundwater extraction on Earth's axis and sea levels. In the past 2 decades, scientists have observed an unexpected consequence of large-scale groundwater extraction. Earth's axis has shifted by approximately 80 cm. This change is tied to the redistribution of mass caused by human activities, particularly the extraction of groundwater for irrigation, drinking, and industry. As this water eventually flows back into the oceans, it leads to a 6-millimeter rise in sea levels. This phenomenon illustrates the significant impact human actions have on Earth. The extraction of vast amounts of water is akin to adding weight to a spinning top, which alters the planet's axis of rotation. Although small, this shift highlights how interconnected human activities are with the planet's physical processes. How groundwater extraction affects Earth's mass. Groundwater extraction has been increasing globally, especially in agricultural regions where irrigation is essential. Millions of cubic meters of water are pumped from underground aquifers every year. While this water supports food production and human development, it also affects Earth's mass distribution. When groundwater is removed, it temporarily reduces the weight in that region. However, once the water is used and eventually returned to the oceans, it redistributes mass. This shift in mass from land to ocean alters the Earth's center of mass, affecting the planet's rotation, similar to adding weight to a spinning top. Earth's rotational changes. The Earth's axis is not fixed. It shifts due to natural and human-made factors. The shift caused by groundwater extraction is small but significant over time. These changes in Earth's tilt could influence global climate patterns, ocean currents, and even the length of days. While these changes are not immediately noticeable, they point to the broader impact of human activities on Earth's fundamental systems. Even subtle shifts in mass can result in long-term environmental consequences. Rising sea levels, a direct result. Groundwater extraction also contributes to rising sea levels. As water is pumped from aquifers and returned to the oceans, it increases the volume of seawater. Over the past 20 years, groundwater redistribution has caused a 6-millimeter rise in sea levels. Though this increase may seem minor, it adds to the effects of melting glaciers and thermal expansion of water due to global warming. The rise in sea levels poses a growing threat to coastal regions, leading to flooding, erosion, and loss of fresh water. Groundwater extraction, combined with other climate factors, amplifies these risks. The consequences of human activity. The shift in Earth's axis due to groundwater extraction highlights the unintended consequences of human activities. This shift reminds us how our actions, whether on a local or global scale, can influence the planet's physical properties. The redistribution of water from land to ocean is a prime example of how small, seemingly insignificant changes can have far-reaching effects on Earth's systems. The need for sustainable water use. Given the impact of groundwater extraction on Earth's rotation and rising sea levels, it is crucial to adopt more sustainable water management practices. This includes improving irrigation efficiency, reducing waste, and investing in water conservation technologies. By using water more responsibly, we can mitigate the environmental consequences of groundwater depletion. Governments and individuals must work together to ensure that water use does not compromise the planet's health. Sustainable water practices are essential for protecting ecosystems and maintaining the delicate balance of Earth's natural systems. Conclusion. The shift in Earth's axis due to groundwater extraction is a powerful reminder of the broader effects of human activity. While this change may seem small, it highlights how interconnected our actions are with the planet's systems. Rising sea levels and changes in the Earth's rotation are just a few examples of how we are reshaping the planet. To protect future generations, we must take responsibility for our impact and adopt sustainable practices to ensure a balanced and resilient Earth.